What is up, guys? Are you guys ready to make some unsalted lemon powder? You know, like you got lemon pepper. You can make a lemon pepper later, but today we're going to focus on making that lemon powder. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now you want to start off with some fresh, plump lemons. Don't use no old small ones because they can get pretty bitter. You want a nice, ripe, old lemon. The bigger the better. Let's get these lemons home and all washed off. All right, now after you get all your lemons all washed off, we're gonna go ahead and start dicing them, slicing them. And the thicker you make your slices, the longer it's gonna take to dry, so be very mindful of that. You want to get lemons out, the lemon seeds out of there once you actually have them sliced as well. Place these onto our drying rack. Be mindful of your seeds. And folks, when you're cutting your lemons up, always cut the ends off first, because once you get to one side and you haven't cut the ends off first, it's going to be kind of hard to do, like this one right here. I can still do it, but you have to be very careful not to cut your hand. So just go ahead and whack those ends off while you got a lot of surface to hold on to. These lemons smell so fresh and good. Okay, all onto the drying rack we go. All right, now what we gonna do is we gonna let these dry for 24 hours. Folks, my dehydrator is on its last leg, so you might see a new one on the next video, but you'll hear it once I turn it on. This is what I call rolling it till the wheels fall off. All right, now guys, the time has come. Our lemons should be nice and dry, so let's go get them off the dehydrator and put them into the grinder. All right, now after you all are dehydrated, it's time to start some grinding. I like to separate the flesh from the peel, and I'll tell you why here in a second. But this makes best for your lemon powder. But this is all you gotta do is take them slices and just punch the center out, just like you see me doing right here. Put those peels on the side, because you're gonna use those too. All right, folks. Now, as you know, we have two parts of the lemon here. What I like to call it, the inside, we have the lemon flesh, the outside, the lemon zest. And I'm gonna show y'all what it tastes like. I wish y'all can taste what it tastes like, but you might get the picture. But here, first, we're gonna try the lemon zest. Now, the lemon zest is like real mellow. Yep, already knew and exactly what I expected. Up next is the lemon flesh. Now, this stuff is potent. This stuff is potent. Woo! Woo! Yeah. That's potent, y'all. And yeah, lemon flesh. Get the top on, right? And lemon zest. I got a place for both of these. I make seasonings and spices, but I might use this one here to mellow this one out. Depends on what I'm making, because this is some potent stuff right here. And you know, this one right here, you can just probably sprinkle straight on your food. You sprinkle this one on your food. If you like sour, you can go ahead and do that. But this lemon flesh is potent. Lemon zest is very mellow. And like I said, I got a place for both because I make my own seasonings. Flesh and zest, folks. You choose yours. Make them both because you're going to have lemons, so why not? Or you can blend them together to mellow the whole thing out, and so be it. But I like to experiment and make different stuff, so you do what you choose. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Peace out.